Alright guys, so I got my 2024 GMC 2500 in here. We're putting these bumper spacers in. I got the part number right there from wcfab, 3/4 inch. Passenger side went on fine without hitting the tow hook. Driver's side running into a little bit of an issue. As you can see where the old bolts lined up on the marks there, we're already hitting the tow hook, so I'm gonna have to notch this section out here. I don't know if anybody else ran into this issue, but it's what I'm gonna have to do. So other than that, not too bad to install. It's just getting all the other crap off, like those fender pieces there, pulling the flare back. You gotta pull your washer nozzle off for the grill. Block heater plug right there for the bumper. Passenger side, same thing. You got your camera wire there and the main bumper harness there. And then it's 2 bolts on the bottom and there's 4 up top. Bumper comes off. Took me roughly an hour probably to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and notch this out and check back with you later. Alright, so here's what it looks like. I just took the grinder there, marked it with Sharpie. Just notched it out a little bit so we got some clearance. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some paint on there so it don't rust. But everything looks good, not hitting nothing. So if anybody else has any problems, leave a comment, let me know. I don't know, I've never seen too many videos on this, so that's why I'm making one. Help somebody out. So a couple days later, I ended up getting the bumper back on after doing the spacers and everything. And the driver's side gap was definitely off compared to the passenger side. So I ended up taking the bumper all back off, and I actually had to adjust the bracket on this side up about 1/4 inch to get the gap right. You could really see it under the trim piece, under the headlights, but I just finished readjusting it. Got about a 1/2 inch gap on each side. So I think if I wouldn't have notched out that piece on this side, it would have sat perfectly level how I wanted it. But just a tip for you, maybe you don't have to notch that out. I'm not sure. But yeah, I have about 1/4 inch difference between the driver's side and passenger side bracket to get the bumper nice and level. So if you have any other questions, just drop a comment. I'll try and answer them for you. But yeah.